It's time to package some soft white wheat berries, yellow popcorn, oh look, another soft white wheat berry, and regular rolled oats that I got from Azure. I have not shopped at Azure for a while, Azure Standard, so I am pretty excited to get started packing all this up. Hi everyone, Morgan here. So today we're going to be packaging all this into Mylar. This is all for long-term storage. If I buy oats, I'll usually buy them just from the store and use them for every day. But when I buy oats in bulk like this, I'll go ahead and store it in Mylar. Same with the wheat berries and popcorn. Well, we're just a popcorn family. Plus, you can grind popcorn to make for like tortillas and stuff. So it's kind of a double win-win. So because I'm using smaller bags, I'm using a scooper to scoop things out and into these smaller bags. I'm using 2-gallon and 3-gallon bags. I'm kind of getting away from the 5-gallon lately. But yeah, so these 3 gallons, 2 gallons are working really well. They're easier to move around. It's easier to use from and that kind of thing. So it's really personal preference, but I've been liking the smaller bags as much as I can. And in general, I try not to fill the bags too full. I like to make sure that they're about a 3/4. And I'll show you why in a minute. And now before we seal them or put oxygen absorbers or anything in them, I'm going to write what's in here, wheat, berries, and then I do the month and year. I like to do it way further down so that if I ever have to cut the tops or anything, I'm not cutting what it was. I'm just cutting the tops and it can go down or whatever. Now for the oxygen absorbers. I'm using 700 cc for these. That'll be plenty for these. Anywhere between 700 and 1000 cc. So there are 3 left and I'm going to vacuum seal these to save them for later. The only ones I didn't put oxygen absorbers in are these 2 popcorns. There's a big debate about whether you should put oxygen absorbers in popcorn. There's a little bit of moisture in popcorn that makes it pop. So people are saying, well, if you put an oxygen absorber in, it will get rid of that moisture, which is true. But also, if you ever find that your popcorn is not popping, you can just soak the popcorn in a little bit of water and you'll be able to get that moisture back into the popcorn and pop it just fine. I don't have a usable outlet over here, so I'm using my Titan to power the sealer. And this is why I fill my bags about 3/4 full, especially bigger bags like this that are really harder to maneuver because I have to flip them around and make sure that I'm getting a really good seal without all of the contents spilling out of it as I'm trying to get that seal. You'll notice that there was a slight crease on this bag, but that was just from user error. I didn't flatten it as much as I could, but another reason you want it to not overfill it is to prevent as many creases as possible so you can get a nice flat seal. There we have it. All done. Mylared up. Looks great. Well, that's all I got for you. I'm pregnant and tired. I'm gonna go take a break now. That was hard doing it all by myself. Normally when I'm not pregnant, I'm just like boom, boom, boom. And now I'm like, oh, I gotta take things slow. Thank you all so much for watching. Conquer tomorrow by preparing today. If you have any questions about Mylar or oxygen absorbers, please put them in the comments down below. Or I also have this video.